to do a blind bag series. And we're going to pick which one we're going to do first. So, let's see. And we got the My Little Pony inside. Look at it. So, I'll show you. Let me change directions. So, we're going to open these. Here. First, this is yours. Mine's with it. See what's real. Open it for you. Which one did you get? Oh, it didn't open right. I'm going to open again. I hope I don't cut the card. Oh, I'm opening it for you. Let's see. You got Twi'lek. Look what she got. I got Twi'lek Spiker. Yeah, look at her. Oh, she looks so sparkly. Let's see what I got.
Get it? Twi'lek Sparkles.
I get it. Let's see what I got. I hope I get Rainbow Dash. Wait, Rainbow Dash isn't back here. She got the most. Let's see what I got. It's backwards, so I can't see it. Taking my card out first. I got Snail.
Snail?
I got Snail.
He's always goofy.
Look what I got. What I got.
Well,
look at him.
Snail's in the back right there.
Look at Snail.
He's not.
He's in
He's
front.
not playing iPad.
It's Snail. Look at him.
Yay!
Okay, Snail looks so cute. Let's go with that. Snails. He's so adorable. Okay, we're gonna open the Littlest Pet Shop next.
Hello.
This is, wait, let me see who this is. You can even cheat. This is mine. I can open mine. I'll give you yours later. Mine.
No tasty. Hey, you must get out, Snail.
Here,
Ow.
let's see what I got. Wait, is this yours?
Ow.
Oh, look what I got, a baby raccoon. Oh, it's so cute. Look at baby raccoon.
And we're having mixed match, maybe.
Are we? No. Oh, but look at him. Look at him. Look at him. He's so adorable.
What does he come with it?
It comes with this little sugar. So he's like in this pot. And look at him. He's so cute. And you can snap it on the pot like this. It's a teapot. Or on his little holder. Like he's holding
And
sugar.
next, it's mine.
Yes, because I found out mine's is pink. She looks orange. There we go. I snapped out like he's holding sugar. Okay, I'm gonna open you this one. Let's see what Leisha got. It's orange.
Let's see.
Oh, she got a wolf.
What's he?
It's in the house. In the hut. Do you like mine?
And this what it comes with.
It comes with this ribbon. And mine
And
comes with
also,
the
it's I got a fox.
You got a fox and I got a raccoon. Yay. And we have one more. We have one more. Yay! I have enough for this blind bag series. Go stick this on. I'm putting this on him like he's holding sugar.
Let's see.
Let me go put, do you want this on him? So we got, the last one we got the Hello Kitty. And this is only Sears 1. So we only have one though. So let me see. Let's see. Oh, it's in this little bag. We got Hello Kitty. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, we got something blue. We got my favorite thing, cupcakes. Cupcakes! Yeah! Look how cute he looks. Cupcakes. Look at her lip. She's holding a cupcake. Look very close.
That looks
Cupcake.
That looks like
I
poop.
love this teapot. Oh, where's my... Don't stick in there. Wait, there's something in here. Where's my raccoon? Oh. The raccoon doesn't belong in there. The wolf. Oh. Only if you want to switch.
No, we have to which one first in the both sides, okay?
Wait.
For both. Right?
I like it.
No, don't do it. I am.
Touch it. I got Snail and she got Twilight Sparkles. But it's with her wings. It's not with... Is there two? Yeah, there's two Twilight Sparkles.
I got a different one.
Yeah, and I got Snail. Yay!
Can you see?
Yay! But that does it for our video.
What? It's two Pinkie Pies and it's two everything.
Yeah, only two.
What?
There's your hat.
They made a fake Twilight Sparkle. They made a fake Twilight Sparkle.
Where?
Blue Twilight.
Blue Twilight. No, it's Diamond Night.
It looks like
I
Twilight
love this
Sparkle.
Foxy. He's so cute. But I got a raccoon. Give me that my pot.
That's so cute.
I love my raccoon. He looks so cute. And he's holding his sugar.
Look at this. My Twilight Sparkle could finally learn how to fly.
Bye. That does it for our blind bag. And this is what we both got for our little pet shop.
His little cutie one. See?
Stop it. And this is what we got from the Littlest Pet Shop. And this is what we got from the Hello Kitty. Bye.